ba kwa ya me ya.
Yes, sir.
Say president so be 4 years pa me ya pa.
Oh.
Me ya pa.
That's right.
So omo sha say nipa bi wo NDC ma they can also become a president. Yes.
That's right.
And yeah, after 4 years they can also become.
That's right. Nation prophet.
You know, when I'm yes.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
No. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. 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 Hell no. 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 I refuse. No. No.
Hello, Abuja for Medenchia, Ebremu nyina. We the breaking news be a menya na me pese me de Ebro. Ene eye Sunday na Opambour Prophet 1. Oye ne program no na okafa mu se on se ono so wakosra omampani John Mahama. Odika kosra no ansa na inauguration so osan ko obie. Na ni nyina no I know se obehunu. Na se nkomodidie mu no omampani John Mahama se opese okọ just one tempe. Enti no video no na ohe no. Enti and then now or yes service one program no so and all can say ya pa say Mompani John Mahama say obeko just 4 years, which is just one term. Until we a breaking news I'm person me de bremo. But I know say previously no nobody can abeka that say your mama 4 years no and so no until no or the another 4 beka ho amana ye 8. The constitution will be amended. Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah so actually come along that line say ebia say enema anhwe party a be breaky 8 and one and a bear NDC party. And me or those old videos no wha me pese me deba but monsan ema yentie ni Opambour eka any biom say on it your John Mama Kasaya no so ndo person ko one tempe.
You John Dramani Mahama, Mr. President.
Yes.
We salute you. And kwani anwode mfra ne se me ndie di mu man no onyame ka ho na enkosese ne onyame epe no onyame shramo o yesu ndc for munyina di mu shramo am sa wonu mpani for ade ba kwa ya me ya.
Yes, sir.
Say president so be 4 years pa me ya pa.
Oh.
Me ya pa.
That's right.
So omo sha say nipa bi wo NDC ma they can also become a president. Yes.
That's right.
And yeah, after 4 years they can also become.
That's right. Nation prophet.
You know, when I'm yes.
Yes. Original nation.
Also for the baby and no can account.
And no prayer father.
Be intimated. Opa kwa ya fasting says and ya bonsam dia na wo ye.
Jesus.
When you media no aka chema wie.
Yes.
Opa kwa yefa. Ade se ewura mi oko Rome. Anya djuma. Sofo.
Hello, na adia aye won say na previously no Opambour edikan ahihye nkom say John Mahama 4 years no eme no until obesan the 4 years akan ho obeko 8 years and Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah so bekan say Mahama onfa ni samienu enso so donim during the swearing in so timi ya sadia ene obeko 2 times etino yenti those prophecies no so na yenhwe senia isikoye
And it's all my yentem, so for my yentem.
Yes.
I'm better about him for 16 years.
That's right.
Because in Ramama, 4 years now, me no. But the 4 years back out.
Guys.
I'm up over 8 years. As a Pan American.
MPP for Shea NDC. And I'm breaking the 8. Political party be and Shea or better 16 years. 16 years. Afnan ordinance some you know the best so much way. Mom fan and Sabah conference some you know so. Sabia will be 2 times. 2 hands, 2 times. 1 hand, 1 time. Sakratabi sesan emanenya wanwa. Sakratabi sesan emanenya wanwa. If there is a work kratabi so sesan emanenya wanwa.
All right. So if a document, if amendments or changes are done to that document, let's not be surprised.
Confusion baba ho.
There will be confusion around the amendments. But God is a factor to it. God knows about it.
Nti so here nsɛm na adifoɔ akɛseɛ yi ɛka yɛ Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah, Prophet Opambour, keka yɛ nyinaa no ɛsaa na baeɛ. Nti ɔmaka sɛ nka ɔbɛkɔ 8 years, but minim denti a Yewura John Mahama ɔno a sɛ ɔbɛkɔ 1 term a Prophet Opambour na ɛka sɛ Yewura John Mahama sɛ ɔbɛkɔ 1 term. Nti this is the breaking news mewɔ ɛde ma mo. Em de sɛ ɔmbɛka yɛ Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah ka sɛ during the swearing in no sɛ ɔde ne nsa mmienu so ma ɔbɛkɔ 2 times, ɔde ne nsa baako so ma ɔbɛkɔ 1 term. Em sɛ swearing in no ɔde ne nsa baako ne so mu getting to the end no ɛna ɔde ne nsa mmienu so mu. But I think sɛ nyame kora pɛ sɛ obi kɔ 2 times ne nipa korɔ na nkasa ɛhwɛ ne ho no sɛ ɔsɛ ɔno deɛ ɔpɛ 1 term a, I think sɛ God will not fight anybody's will. Nti ebia saa na ɔno no hu no sɛ bi ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ 1 term. So this is the breaking news from Opambour. Me pese me de ebremo. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and drop a comment. And then a bit me so me a notification bell no so say the beya ubenya alert anytime be me post a new video. I hope you will do that. So thank you in advance.
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you could be notified anytime we post a new video. Also consider following me on other social media platforms with the same handle, BluntGhana. We hope you will do that. Thank you.